Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay that's just got here, so I thought I'd do a grand unboxing. This is a Marx 1666 and two Marx light towers that I saw on eBay and paid $15 for this. And really curious to see what kind of condition not only the locomotive but those light towers are in. Alright, styrofoam peanuts. Oh dear, hold on. Alright. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, that's better, I think. Alright, let's see what we have here. There's one of the towers. Let me get this out first, then we'll look at them. Another tower. And the locomotive. Alright, I hate styrofoam peanuts. Things get everywhere. Alright, let's see what we have here. Let's look at the locomotive first. And it's complete, but you notice someone has done some judicious painting on it, including the wheels, it looks like. And looks like the spring is missing off the contactor. But it has the rear truck, it has the front truck. So, no idea if this is going to run or not. Alright, let's put the locomotive aside and take a look at our towers. Alright, there's one twin tower. And there is two twin towers. Those are in really, really decent condition. That was one of the main reasons I bought this, of course, was to get these two towers. As you see, pretty decent shape. Alright, let's turn our attention to the 1666. First thing we're going to do, of course, is put a drop of oil on the armature bearing, a big drop of oil on the output shaft bearing, and for now, let's just set this on the rail and grab the camera. Alright, so there's a 1666 in less than perfect condition because of the paint. Why somebody would paint the wheels, I have no idea. Some brown paint up here. Anyway, let's turn the power on and see if it will run. Runs backwards and it runs forward. So you can hear that E unit. This thing's been sitting for a long time without moving. Whoops. Wheel came off. Alright, well it definitely needs some major adjustments. No doubt about that. But at least it is running. Alright, so I'll have to clean this up. It is also a smoker. Whether it's going to smoke or not, I have no idea. And it has a very, very strange front truck on it. So I'll have to look at this and see what's up with it. Anyway, I just want to do a grand unboxing of this 1666, 15 bucks on eBay. with those two towers. And it was actually for the two towers that I really wanted this. You can see these towers are in fairly decent condition. So anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. Marx 1666 and the two twin towers, 15 bucks on eBay. And this thing needs to be cleaned up, lubed and tuned, and I need to find out what's up with that front truck. And do some adjustments to it. But since it's running, I really have no doubt it's going to turn out to be a fairly decent locomotive, missing one of the handrails. So anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing video on this. It's up and running. It just needs to be lubed and tuned, and I need to sort out the front and rear truck to see what's up with that. And of course, once it's running well, then I'll test and see if the smoker's working. So anyway, and this rear truck is off again. So it definitely needs to be gone through and tweaked. These trucks are definitely not correct, especially this front truck. Don't know what's up with the rear truck. Anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing. The two Marx light towers, like I said, that's one of the main reasons I bought this. And the 1666 is a smoker. Just have to sort out the trucks, get this nasty paint off of here, and I can get this off in just a matter of seconds. The paint on the wheel is a whole different ball game. But it at least is running. Headlight works, it runs forward, and it runs reverse. So we'll take it from there. Anyway, just a quick unboxing. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.